Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Capital One credit card PIN if you so need to update it, right? Really easy and simple. So first things first, what you need to do is you need to log in to your Capital One mobile app or go to the Capital One website, okay? Then what you need to do is just sign in with your username and password. Then you're going to navigate to settings. So in the app, you're going to tap on the profile or menu icon and then just select settings, and you want to look for the card services or manage pin option. And then what you're going to go ahead and do is you want to choose change pin. So you want to click or tap on the change pin option for the specific credit card you actually want to update. Then just follow the prompts to verify identity, and this could include entering a code sent to your email or phone. And then you want to go ahead and enter your new PIN. Just set your new PIN, your new 4-digit PIN, and then you're going to go ahead and confirm that, right? And then just submit your changes and make sure you receive a confirmation that your PIN has actually been updated. And that's it, guys. Your Capital One credit card is now updated with the new PIN. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.